Problem 5, it says in which quadrant is the angle 5 pi over 4? There, that's in radians. It's in degrees, it's easy, but when it's in radians, we have to get a sense. And let's not try to convert it to degrees to figure out the answer. That'd be our last case scenario we really want to do. Let's think where this is. We take a unit circle. I drew a very sloppy circle here. Let's break it into its quadrants. So you got quadrant 1, quadrant 2. Remember, it works like the letter C. You start here, first, second, third, fourth. Here's quadrant 3 down here, and here's quadrant 4. Now things are in radians. We've got to get our minds in terms of radians. Think, in a unit circle, we know all the way around is 2 pi. If I go all the way, that's 360 degrees, which is 2 pi. So this right here is at 0, 2 pi. So if I go halfway, I should recognize that as, oh, that's a pi. Well, if here's pi and here's 0, that's a whole pi. This is half a pi. Now half a pi is written as pi over 2, because remember there's a 1 in front of that, so it's 1/2 pi. So we have 0, a half pi, 1 whole pi. This would be 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/2 pi. Now the way we write that though is 3 pi over 2. And then here you are at 2 pi. So we have a half, a whole, 1 and 1/2. Where is 5/4 pi? Now if we want to think of that, we say, wait, 5/4, that's 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4 pi. That looks to me between this 1 pi and 1 and 1/2 is where 1 and 1/4 is, which is going to be right in the dead center of them. Right here's where 5 pi over 4 is going to be. So it's in quadrant 3. 1, 2, 3. That's where 5 pi over 4 is located.